Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to update Kenwood firmware. First, visit the official Kenwood support website to download the correct firmware file for your specific model. It's crucial to match the file to your device. Next, ensure your Kenwood unit's battery is fully charged or connected to a reliable power source. Finally, prepare a compatible USB drive, formatted to FAT32, to store the firmware file. This preparation ensures a smooth update process. Once you have the firmware file, copy it directly to the root directory of your prepared USB drive. Do not place it inside any folders. After the transfer is complete, safely eject the USB drive from your computer to prevent data corruption. Now, turn off your Kenwood device completely. This ensures the unit is ready to recognize the new firmware when you begin the update sequence. Proper file placement is key. With the USB drive ready, insert it into the designated USB port on your Kenwood unit. Refer to your device's manual for the exact location. Next, follow the specific button press sequence for your Kenwood model to enter the firmware update mode. This usually involves holding down certain buttons while powering on. Once prompted on the screen, confirm the update to begin the installation. The process typically takes several minutes to complete. During the update, it is critical not to power off your Kenwood device or remove the USB drive. Interrupting the process could damage the unit. Your Kenwood unit will restart automatically once the firmware update is successfully completed. After restarting, you can remove the USB drive. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your updated Kenwood device with its new features and improvements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.